Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Augusta, and if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. So I recently made this locks, guys. Like, I made it 2 weeks ago, and since then I have been styling this hair in different ways. Like, I've been making different hairstyles, like packing it different ways, and I'm actually in love with how the styles do turn out. Okay, and I have people out there always telling me that they love my hair, they love how I packed it and stuff like that. So I decided to make this video, okay, and show you guys the different ways you can actually style your locks. Okay, and it doesn't have to be only locks. It could be braids, it could be twists, like any protective hairstyle you have on that is like this, that looks like this, that is this long, or even if it's shorter than this, you can still style it like same way I'm going to be styling my hair in this video, and it's going to turn out so cute. And I also have a video on how I style this hair. Okay, I already uploaded it on my channel, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So if you want to see how I install this locks, you can check the description box and the link is going to be there. And I also got this hair from Amazon, so I'm going to leave the link to the hair in the description box, and I'm also going to leave the link to the video on like how you can install the locks, okay, in the description box. So yeah, without talking too much, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, I finally come to the end of the video, and if you're still watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. And guys, please don't forget to check out the video on how I installed this hair. I'm going to leave it in the description box. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.